Hello viewers, let's discuss how to buy your first home, a step-by-step guide today. Buying your first home is an exciting milestone, but it can also feel overwhelming. Whether you're a first-time buyer or need a refresher, this video will help you navigate the journey to homeownership with confidence. 1. Assess your financial situation. The first step in buying a home is to assess your financial situation. Determine how much you can afford to spend on a home, considering factors like your income, savings, monthly expenses, and debt obligations. 2. Save for a down payment. Saving for a down payment is one of the biggest hurdles for first-time home buyers. Set a savings goal and explore down payment assistance programs or government-backed loans that may help you qualify for a lower down payment. 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start shopping for homes, it's essential to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This process involves submitting financial documents to a lender who will assess your creditworthiness and determine how much you can borrow. 4. Find a real estate agent. A real estate agent can be a valuable ally in the home buying process, especially for first-time buyers. Look for an agent with local market knowledge and experience working with buyers in your price range. 5. Begin house hunting. With your budget and preferences in mind, start house hunting. Attend open houses, browse online listings, and work with your agent to schedule showings of homes that meet your criteria. 6. Make an offer. Once you find the perfect home, it's time to make an offer. Your real estate agent will help you draft a purchase offer, including the price you're willing to pay, contingencies, and any additional terms. 7. Negotiate and inspect. Negotiation is a common part of the home buying process. After submitting your offer, the seller may counteroffer, and negotiations may ensue. Additionally, schedule a home inspection to identify any potential issues with the property. 8. Secure financing. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to secure financing for your home purchase. Work closely with your lender to finalize your mortgage application and gather any additional documentation needed for closing. 9. Close the deal. Closing day is the final step in the home buying process. Review all closing documents carefully, sign the necessary paperwork, and pay any closing costs and fees. Congratulations, you're officially a homeowner. 10. Conclusion and call to action. Congratulations on purchasing your first home. We hope this step-by-step guide has demystified the home buying process and empowered you to make informed decisions along the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and resources. Happy house hunting!